Hi, Rapunzel.
Hi.
Can you just say hi?
Hi.
You be a Rapunzel? Hi, Princess.
Hi.
What's your name?
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel? Ah, you're my little Rapunzel, huh? Wow, cute.
Everything also at the tower.
What?
I put it at the tower.
Okay.
Using talk to me.
Wow, okay. Okay, I can give you a flower, my Rapunzel.
Where? Thanks.
Okay, what you playing?
Huh?
What you playing?
I put my flowers,
You playing flowers?
but you didn't get it for me.
Eugene gave it to you? Wow, it looks so nice.
You smell?
I smell? Sure. Smell so good. I forgot, what is your name again?
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel? Wow. So cute, Rapunzel. How old are you?
3, 4.
You're 3? Okay. My Rapunzel is 3 years old. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye. So mommy, so I have to go to the tower.
Okay, you have to go to the tower. Okay, bye-bye.